Teka lang, papayag ba tayo sa ganitong content? Pakita mo yung proof of transaction.
Boss, sorry, wait lang, nag-overheat. Iwan ako kanina. Pinapalamig ko lang. Sorry, are you raising it earlier? Ang papalalamog ko na lang sa kanya. Wait lang po, wait lang po.
No worries.
This strategy talaga yung papapatingin pa sila, boss. I-delay mo. I-delay mo para ano.
Dumami.
Baka may magustuhan pa. Hindi, joke lang, boss. Di mas okay din po yun, at least compare tayo ng price, di ba? Yung clients, hindi magdala. For transparent. Sabi ko nga po number one rule in any kind of business, even my own mantra ko is prioritize relationships. Which is very hard for a businessman kasi most of the time, may tendency talaga na go after profits, di ba? Pero sabi ko, kung if you're the type of business person that can prioritize relationships over profits, you'll win. Yun talaga yung sabi ko. Ito na malapit na, sorry po, ito na, bigyan siya ako na. For the ano boss, we can have it shipped naman para you won't have to meet that trip over here po. Of course, it's better if you have time to visit. Siyempre, baka may mga bilhin ka, diba? Ano yun eh? Gagawin ko, papaship ko lalamog para may iwanan yung charms. Ay, sir, iwan yung charms dito sa store. Pakitaan na lang.
Ano yan eh, Marquis natin yung tikip lang kayo pang
Tingnan mo, gumana kila boss. Eh no, nagkapit sila boss, bumili ng web drink. Kanina, pinag-iisipan lang nila yan eh. Here you go, madam. Sabi ko naman ito. Sir, would you want another cup? Medyo okay na ito, mabilis na ito. Para if you want your own, sige po. Ang sarap, madam. O, diba? Sabi siya eh. That's the skill, Amiri's skill.
How much minute?
Right now we're selling that for 35. We chose the ano kasi, that's the limited colorway. Kasi there's a white one, that's black scale, and then there's a vice versa, there's a black one with a white scale. Yun medyo mas common yun, you'll see that on the website. Even the cup boss, I see your, yung cup na Amiri. That's also exclusive. Boss, sige po, thank you, maraming salamat sa pag-visit. Thank you. Madam, maraming salamat po. That we can negotiate para if ever you're very interested. Pero check mo muna boss kung maganda. Sir, yung cover lang ah.
Ayan, sige, sige.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Maraming salamat.
Sige
Nice to meet you po.
today. Babalik ako.
Sige po, sabihan mo lang ako. Let me know lang po. Sige,
Okay.
boss.
Thank you so much.
So, yun, guys. Nakabenta tayo ng Adios Y3 white with black brushed stripe. Adios 4. Sold out for only 28,000 pesos. That's size 10, di ba? And then, pumunta sila Sir Vince with Draco and Baker na yung dog na malaki. Kasi laki ng aso ko dito yun. Nasa videographer ko, hindi ko lang alam. Sold that one for 12,000 pesos, V-loan slides. Medyo interested din Sir Vince sa Amiri natin eh. Tingnan natin kung babalik.
Kyle, yung customer, pinapasukat ng ano, yung Amiri natin na medium kay
Medium.
Sir Conix.
Sige, Sir Conix. Sige, Sir. Yan to siya pag medium. Parang dating fit.
Okay, thank you.
A few moments later.
Doon pala kayo. Kasawali niyo ako. Bali nagagawa ko ng kape para kay Boss Pao. Pero Bo doon guys, kanina nakita niyo nagsusukat ako ng polo, di ba?
Oh,
Nakakatuwa kasi, alam mo bang bakit, Bo?
bakit?
Yung customer kasi tinanong, sabi niya, bibili ko yung polo pero kasya ba kay Sir Nico kasi parehas kami ng katawan.
Oo.
Ayun, boss, parehas pa tayo ng katawan, boss. Pero yun, kinuha na ni boss. Nabenta natin for 27,800 pesos. Kumain lang kami, pinalalamog na. Wala na dito guys.
Wala na.
Ayun, pera kanina, no? Oo, boss, yung kanina makakita kayo, nabenta.
Teka lang, papayag ba tayo sa ganitong content? Pakita mo yung proof of transaction.
Provoke ka lang sa action, ha? Okay.
Huwag yung gano'n, hindi tayo gano'n, boss. Hindi tayo. Oo.
Hindi, meron kasing gano'n eh.
Sorry.
Ayun, si Ma'am Nel, Celine, pang regalo niya. Kasi sabi niya, ask ko lang, kasya po ba kay Sir Conix?
Ayun, oh.
Ayun, so yun, ginawa namin, binidyoan namin.
Oh, ayun. Oh, proof of transaction.
27,800 guys ha. Okay, dread check ha. Okay, sige na.
Okay, sa damit ko kasi, wala akong flex bro.
Ah.
Pero yung cut lang.
Okay, sige.
Kasi I'm wearing GU. It's a pants ko I'm wearing the GU. Hindi siya baggy, hindi siya flare.
Ano siya?
It's baggy flared pants. Okay, so ito kasi yung mga nauuso daw konti
Baggy
ngayon.
flare.
Ito daw yung magiging trending na fashion this year.
Sabi.
Oh, tapos yung shoes ko, I'm wearing BWRB na hard copy. Ayan, nakikita nyo may red stripes na ewan. It's available here for 12,000 pesos. And for my watch, I'm wearing Santos de Cartier. Available dito. Order na lang kayo. Ano naman suot mo, bro?
Sa akin, represent.
Puma yan?
Puma represent to.
Okay.
This is available for 10.5. For the top, inquire na lang kayo kasi limited sizes lang available. So, meron gallery department. This is available for 35,000 pesos. For the pants, naka-St. Louis tayo guys, na paint splatter. So, this is available only for size large na lang yata.
Large na lang.
Ay, XL. Wala nang other sizes eh. Medyo rare na siya eh. So, this is available for 40,000 pesos na. And then for the shoes, we're wearing the Ball Star GGTB. So, this is available for 40,000 pesos guys. And then for the watch, we have the Rolex Rhodium Yachtmaster.
Where do we get them? Praise them, syempre.